Downed power lines, tree limbs crashing down, debris flying everywhere. That is the last 24 hours that has really created a mess all across the valley. Power outages are still being reported from that massive windstorm we got here locally. Now we've seen a lot of issues across the windswept valley. First News senior reporter Jerry Ricciuti is checking out the damage left behind in Mahoning County and how neighbors are now cleaning up. Jerry, how's it looking?
Chelsea, scenes like this are playing out all around the Mahoning Valley this afternoon as crews are cleaning up from what this weekend's heavy winds left behind. The owner of this house on Cavalcade in Austintown believes the tree that fell over the weekend is 120 years old, but around 7:30 last night it came crashing down on his house and the one right next door, leaving a lot of damage to clean up. In this case, at least, nobody was hurt. And the owner of this house tells me that his house at least will have insurance to cover the damage. Coming up this afternoon at 5 and 6, we'll hear from the owner as well as the tree trimmers on how busy they're going to be all this week. In Austintown, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News. Chelsea?